how I did this makeup. Keep watching. What's up everybody, it's your girl MiladieV Vlogs back with another freaking video. So today I want to do a quick makeup video inspired by like my shirt. I put some white and black in it, and guess what your girl got? I know y'all tired of me doing makeup and y'all haven't seen me put some lashes on. Yeah, so I got me some mink lashes. So this is how they look, and it's by Valisha Lashes. Valisha, I think it's Valisha. So this is how the back look. I'm gonna put the info below so you can get you some mink lashes. These lashes are very cute, and it's like, they're so soft. They're really soft. So let's get to it. But how you guys been doing? I'm not really gonna be talking through this like that. Only just a little bit, but not really that much. But I've been chilling, you know, vibing, doing what I do. Not too much going on. I just want to thank you guys for supporting me, being there for me. You guys are like so awesome. Yeah, you guys are like so awesome. So I just want to thank you for supporting me and being there for me. Got me some new lip gloss because I was like, I cannot find my Bubblicious lip gloss. I don't know where's it at. I might have to go back to the hair store and get some, but I can't find it. I don't know if it's hiding from me because I wore it too much. Same Google pictures gonna add to the picture. Okay. Anyway, like I said, I'm just so happy that you guys are. They asked me for it. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna do my eyebrows last. But I'm gonna use this stick. I like this stick. that matte. I'm gonna need that matte powder to put on my eyes. And I don't know, where is it at? Okay, fuck it. The next thing I'm going to be doing is okay. Got this 30, so they say. I wish I had a ring light, but I don't. I'm using a passion apple. And I'm using this color right here. Dark color first. And then I just and then I'm gonna use this. It's kind of matching my shirt a little bit. Make my eyes pop. Okay. Let me wash this thick part off real quick. Okay. It's hard doing your lashes. I think it goes. All right. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can join the Envy gang and get more lit videos, and that way you be notified if I post, because YouTube they be playing, okay? But I did this quick thing. I think I did a good job to be doing something quick. Lashes made it pop. So I'll see you guys next time.